Hi, welcome back. Hello, students and professionals. Another important session. This session is extension for last session, what we have discussed actually. So let's getting into my YouTube. See, I told you, right? A new feature added for storage location. Okay, this is I just told about. Today, we're going to see the practically how it works for you. Okay. So before going ahead, I'm currently holding 5,000 plus students, like around 20 plus courses I have. This is the sales and distribution. It is more than 100 and plus hours, 103 hours. It is going to be, you know, added more in future if I know something, whatever I know. So if you have some doubts, if you'd like to be perfect in your interviews and you'd like to be comfortable handling interfaces and idocs, this is idocs. You learn three scenarios I have explained for sales and distribution. Okay, you can give it a try. And apart from that, it is very, very important irrespective of your implementations or what I would say enhancement of projects, how to write a functional specification, and pricing. I have two courses. This is one of my top course. Definitely you will enjoy this course. If really good at your basics, please get into this course. This is at advanced level in standard. I have explained. We'll have a quick introduction, but you are going to the depth. I would suggest you can try all these two courses. This is basics for your transportation, and S4 HANA also, SAP Business Partners and SD Business Processes and ECC and S4 HANA. Okay. If someone is wanted to know some support tickets with support process around 23 real-time incidents near to standard, I have explained. Don't expect that exits, WAPs and all those things that will come as advanced, course in future. You better give a try all this. So that's it. So let's try to see the practical, how it works today on S4 HANA 2021. Okay. Now let's go to SP Argo, reference IMG. So go to the, what I would say, enterprise structure definition. Let's go to the material management. This is the place where you are going to maintain your storage location. Okay. I'm just taking this plant. It is already defined. Let's try to take another storage location like probably like you can say 0004 for premium goods. I'm just keeping this one. Okay. I will show you. So now if you see this validity, today we are going to see valid or no longer valid. So I just created this one. Okay. This validity is one of the additional feature. So now let's try to do one thing. Let's go VA01. Okay. So let's try to, before that, let's try to do in S4 HANA, I already done a video. You cannot able to do the stock posting by using MB1C. I'll show you. You cannot able to do it. Your regular ECC transaction MB1C, it is got absolute. Okay, absolute. That means completely removed. You can able to do this by using what I would say Migo only. Okay, in certain companies, most of the times it's the general practice. Even in ECC also, most of the companies won't allow. It's like free flow when you use MB1C. Certain companies already in ECC they don't want to use that one, so that's why they got implemented by using Migo for stock posting. So in one of my couple of projects, some 7 years or 8 years ago, two big clients, they're using only Migo, not this one. At the later point of time, what SAP has realized, it is not required anymore. That's why they have removed it out. Not Migo, it's MB1C they removed. So let's come here. So let's take this material, for example. I'm just taking certain quantity. Why I require this much? Let's take 100 pieces. So let's go here. So let's take this plant. And when it comes to storage location, I'm just taking this one, premium goods. This is the storage location. Okay. So let's check. So everything is okay. Let's do the stock posting. So we posted stock of, let's go to MMBE. Let's take the 95. Okay. So it takes certain time. It's a bit slow. Let's enter our storage location. So let's come here. Anyhow, remember this. Okay. This is the storage location we have defined. Let's display this. So you got this 100 pieces. This is the stock for plant from all storage location put together. So this is our target, 100 is there. Let's try to create a sales order now. I'll show you the difference basically. Assume that this is the storage location you have created some years ago. Okay. So assume the real-time scenario I'm telling some 7 or 10 years ago or any years ago for that matter. So let's try to consume. Okay. So let's cancel. This is the reference date it is asking. So let's save this. So let's do the delivery. So let's pick the quantity. Let's do the PC. Okay. So let's keep our storage location as 4 now. Okay. So don't worry about this error. This is just a warning. I need to fix this one. Now stock is posted. Now let's try to check the stock again. What is the current stock? 10 quantity it is reduced out of 100. Okay, this is the process what it happens even if it is SAP or ECC anywhere in this world. But what exactly we're going to check the field. Now let's go to the configuration. Let's come here. You can able to see this line, right? So come back. So we have 3 storage location. So the company suddenly stopped selling premium goods for XYZ reason. It can be any reason. I'm telling this example. They don't want to continue premium goods. They'll sell regular goods. For selling premium goods, it is failed. Okay. So maybe XYZ regions. So they don't want to utilize the storage location, or else maybe in inventory, or else any XYZ reason. ABC reason. It can be talk anything. No longer they don't want to use it. Okay, let's check this. Let's click on valid. So let's go to the edit. You observe this is very, very important compared with previous step. Okay. So see, change field content. This is the place where you have to come. Okay. So now select this validity. Okay. Click on enter. We have to give capital E. What is the C? I will show you. I'm just replacing. Okay. So E means no longer valid. Okay. Blank means it is valid. Okay. Let's save this. Now let's try to do the surprise. Now go to the Migo first. If someone is trying to post additional stock against the storage location, how the system behaves. Okay. Same storage location. Let's take same material or any material for that matter. Okay, let's check. See what it is saying, storage location in plant is no longer valid. That means we're not using this storage location. Now let's try to do one thing. Let's create an order and delivery, whether it allows for PJ or not by using this storage location. That is the test also we needed as part of this one. We can perform more tests like this. Outbound side I'm showing. Inbound side also you will have the same behavior when you try to do Migo for your purchase order also. Okay. Let's take this one as mandatory field. Okay. Let's save this. Now let's try to do the delivery now. Press enter. So let's enter the storage location and let's do the stock. So at the time of PCA, see storage location 000 in plant no longer valid. This is one of the best feature because I told you right. So in olden days for storage location, what they are doing? So they simply in configuration they're changing the description, but still it will allow. If you change the description also it will allow, right? So if you by mistake and the user has done certain quantity got delivered or received by using that storage location, what happens? Of course, we can correct it. So in worldwide, so if he is a big client, certainly. So for correcting that movement types at your inventory side, okay, either plus or minus, it was going to be tedious task for everyone. That could be the reason. Okay, S4 HANA, they have realized why don't we introduce this feature. Okay, I think you have learned something useful. So probably let's catch up in next session. So if I find something, I'll try to add here. If you like my video, you can like it. Okay. So if you love this video, you can comment it. And I'm waiting for your responses. Thank you so much. And as I said that this is my channel. You can try this. Probably I might change this name also. I'm not yet decided. So all these are the different courses at my end. If you really want it, that expert level in your career, if you want it to be comfortable, learn standard at perfect instance of your career. If you are experienced, still you lack, you need some revision, better try all these courses for your productivity at your workplace and your interviews. Be honest, be happy, enjoy your SAP career. Jai Bharat. Thank you. Wishing you all the best.